Hi data fam. You can see on my screen when I add the download data button to my dashboard, it looks grayed out. It seems it's broken, but actually it's not. Follow along so that I can take you step by step as to how you could use this in building something rather quickly, effectively, and have the users the experience to download the data as they wish. You can have other options of downloading it into either a PowerPoint or a PDF. What you see here on the screen is a tabular view. I have category and subcategory in the rows and the segment in the column. And profit and sales are showing up as measure values. Let me duplicate this and build another version where I have the ship mode instead of the segment. Grab ship mode, drop it on segment, and replace it. For formatting, right click over it, click format, font bold. Then I don't want the subcategory details. I just want it shown at the category level by ship mode. I've used containers to organize my sheets. It's a vertical container, so I dragged it here and then I'm saying fit width. So I have sales by segment, sales by ship mode, one download button here. This download button, if I edit it, I've written the title, it's a cross tab type. There are a few other download options. We will get to it shortly, but I've chosen cross tab. I've given it a title called download data. I'm using a font Century Gothic, and I've mentioned a tooltip. When I hover over it, click to download data. Similarly, from the objects window, I can drag another download button option, edit it. Instead of being a text type, I can call it an image. PDF icon, apply, edit, edit width, a 60 width would be fine. Double click the container for my horizontal and edit height. Make it into a 70 pixel high. Drag another download button, edit, choose PowerPoint, make it into an image type, choose the icon, apply. Maybe it's a good idea to add a little bit of blank white space between these buttons. Edit width 30 pixel. And now we have something that looks good enough to get uploaded. The download data button, which is download to cross tab, still looks grayed out, but bear with me. Let's publish this to Tableau Public. Once we publish it to Tableau Public, you can see that the data download button is now active and activated. You can see download PPT, the PowerPoint option. Click on it. It gives us a choice whether this view, a specific sheet from this dashboard, or sheets from this entire workbook. I'm going to choose sheets from this dashboard, just the sales by segment, which is the first one, and download. When I open it, this is how it looks. I just chose that table and it downloaded only that specific table. Let's look at download PDF option. Click on it. Similar option, this view, specific sheets from this dashboard, specific sheets from this workbook. Let me choose this view. If I do so, I can also choose the orientation and page size. I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Hit download. This is how the entire sheet looks like. If I were to choose, instead of portrait, a landscape option and hit download, it would have an orientation not as a portrait but as a landscape. Easier to read because this dashboard has been designed as a landscape. Now let's look at what happens if I do download data. This button is now working. Sales by segment is one table, and there's the other table, sales by ship mode. I can choose which table I want to download as CSV or an Excel. These radio buttons give us that choice, And this list over here, sales by segment, sales by ship mode, if I had other sheets on this view, it would have shown up as well. I'm going to choose one, say download as Excel, hit download. This is how the downloaded spreadsheet looks like. It preserves the formatting. Hope you found this session helpful. Thanks.